When people in your life disappoint you or don't live up to your expectations, how can you make them change? Here's a story. Hanoch was impossible. On the first day of school, his head was already on his desk. It was like a sign hovering over his head, screaming, "Leave me alone." Rabbi Langer, 9th grade Rebbe at Yeshiva Darkei Torah, had worked with the most challenging of children, but Hanoch stood out, and not in a good way. Rabbi Langer directed a question at the sleeping form called Hanoch. No response. So he asked him to come up to his desk. Hanoch rose lazily to his feet, and then he pulled out a yo-yo from his pocket. He spun it, rolled it, let it drop, creep, sweep, showing off a repertoire of sophisticated tricks. The class watched awkwardly. Tension was thick in the air at this act of defiance. Rabbi Langer stood to the side, silent, and then he spoke. "Brilliant, Hanoch. I see you're a yo-yo expert. From now on, I want to start the class every morning with you showing us a new trick." From that day on, challenging Hanoch transformed. Day by day, he opened up more and more to the learning in the class. He began participating. He began succeeding. Today, Hanoch is an accomplished Talmid Chacham and a brilliantly creative Rebbe who uses his out-of-the-box thinking to teach others how to succeed. How? How did that transformation happen? And more importantly, how can we make that transformation happen for those we love and want to succeed? For our siblings, our spouse, our children, by finding the value in others and cherishing that value. You see, criticizing is easy, only it rarely, possibly even never, works. Instead, it reinforces failure. It makes people feel small, drains them of their power. It weakens them so they have less strength to change instead of more. But when you uncover the real value in your child, or anyone for that matter, when you seek out a strength, notice it, appreciate it, call it out, value it, you do something magical. You help your child to see themselves as a great person, a special person, capable of great special things. You grow them from the inside. You fill them with power. Suddenly they have so much energy to change, to be the person you see in them when you dig deep for value, however hard it is to find. And then you cherish and focus on that value. So much frustration and disappointment dissipates, and so much joy and growth happens instead.